Welcome back to Generation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
I'm here with SephoraPlay.
Yay!
And I did get it, I don't know, a couple days ago, I think.
All our things we're filming and putting and posting up so late, it's not even funny. Like, we're like 5 days after the fact, and yeah.
I don't know.
Busy little mamas. This one seems like it's harder to open.
There we go. Okay, so when you open it, it looks like that. And then, I don't know, well, I guess I'll open this up if I can. Okay, so it looks like that. And then it shows on the other side what you're getting. So, okay.
This is Press Play. There are some hits in this in the lineup this month. Check out the trending beauty shows that are seriously binge-worthy. This is cute. It's a play on everything. Instead of Saturday Night Live, it's a Saturday Night Eyes. And then it says, How to Lose a Mini Lipstick in 10 Days. Hoarders, Trial Size Samples Edition. That's like us. This is this lady right here. The Return of Play Bay. I don't know what that's supposed to be. And then Game of T-Zones. That's funny. They got a sense of humor.
But I only have a lot of products just because I have a lot of products. So
yeah,
that's why I'm like, Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is First Aid Beauty's Pores Be Gone Matte Primer with Fig Extract.
It says this makeup gripping primer blurs the appearance of pores, plus it's oh gosh, I can't say that, comedogenic. So there are no breakout performances. Comedogenic. I don't feel like I've ever seen that word. I don't think that's the word that you were trying to say either. It's like a new word for us. I'll have to look that one up.
Okay, second thing is Amika's, hopefully I'm saying that right, Amika, I don't know, Bushwick Beach No Salt Wave Spray.
It says when this No Salt Wave Spray makes a guest appearance in your routine, you know it's good. It's going to be a good hair day. I can't read today.
Okay, and then No Spite Beauty.
Looks like it always looks like, is it always the same color on here? Because I always feel like that looks like the same color.
Well,
is that like their color?
Oh, I mean, no, I'm saying, I mean, I literally think I have 3 of this exact same color.
On here it looks like a different color kind of. I'm like, I always feel like I see that color, so I don't know if we just get the same color or
like, I have to go to my purse and pull out this exact same color, I'm pretty sure. But anyway.
Her little Thor is barking in the background, by the way.
Is it glace? Glace? I don't know, glace.
Maybe that's why it's always the same color.
Anyway, so I'm pretty sure I have 2 or 3 of these. So
it says this high impact Dusty Mauve lipstick's claim to fame is that it's made with skin nurturing vitamins and omega oils.
Because I think if I remember right, their company is the one where you can almost eat it and you don't have to worry about like, you know, eating like chemicals or something. I don't know if it's with all their lipsticks, but I'm pretty sure some other stuff. It's kind of like natural.
We should let your beast in here. I don't know why he's like barking so much. Like.
Okay, next thing I'm pulling out is Fresh Sugar Strawberry Exfoliating Face Wash.
It says this strawberry-infused sugar formula is a triple threat since it acts as a cleanser, an exfoliator, and a nurturer. That's a sweet combo. That's kind of cool. No, we've gotten that before,
Caution, right? Yeah, Hourglass's Caution Extreme Lash Mascara.
It says this weightless mascara is heavy on the draw med, delivers length, volume, and lift to lashes.
I'm like, why do I always picture it's like gold? Is it gold? Because isn't that the same one?
Like, well, as I said, I think we've gotten that one, I don't know, 2 or 3 times before.
Yeah, because like...
Or is that a bigger size one?
I don't know. Well, that's what I'm like... On my counter, I have that, and I just recently tried it, and I was like, ooh! I like, not ooh, but like, oh, I like it kind of thing. But I don't know if it's the same one. That's what I'm trying to figure out, because it says Caution. Wouldn't it be the same? Is it just a bigger size? So I'm going to open this one, because I'm just trying to figure out if it's the same product. I think it is.
It shows it's black.
Yeah, well, that's
like on there, so I'm wondering if it is black. No, I don't remember if I've ever opened.
It is. Okay, so are they just different size? Oh, wait, are they different sizes? Oh, they are. Oh, how cute.
So close.
It's like a mini. So, the top one is the one I just got in the SephoraPlay, and this other one's the
other size.
Yeah,
the deluxe size maybe?
I guess so, but I just recently tried it, and I love it. It's almost as, I think probably the same as
They're real and...
Yeah. One. So, yay, I'm glad for Sephora giving me that.
I need to try that one. I think I've gotten it before, and I just either gave it away or...
I can't put it back.
You guys know I don't wear a lot of makeup, so like, I don't know if I've ever tried it.
And then the last thing is...
A perfume.
Is it, I said... Saint Laurent? I don't know how you say the first word.
Is this Saint Laurent?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Libra? Is that what it's?
Libra?
Well, at least the perfume's inside.
It says an enticing scent for when you're in an independent mood. The fragrance is floral with the top note of orange blossom and then bottom note lavender.
I was trying to open it up so I can.
Sounds like it smells good.
You're like, it sounds like it smells good.
This box is what, 11 still, or did they change? I don't remember.
Oh, I don't know. I think it's the same price still.
I think it's around $10.88. We could be wrong. But if this video was fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways. I'm already gathering stuff for a giveaway. I just need to get her to put some things in and then we'll have another giveaway soon. So we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.